online course or online teaching element does not automatically equal to video. However, in the majority of courses, video is a key teaching element. Thus, it is important to know how videos can be used for creating interactions between learner and content or learner and learner. Video annotation tools can create a sense of social presence in your class and give learners multiple modes of engaging in class discussion. These tools can replace traditional videos where students watch them without interacting. So today we will review a tool called VideoAnt, developed by University of Minnesota, and it is available for free for everyone. With this tool, both you and your students can watch videos, annotate videos, and create meaningful learning paths. You can access VideoAnt at ant.umn.edu. Sign up to VideoAnt with the preferred option, either Google or Facebook. The VideoAnt works better with the Google browser, and some features might not be available in other browsers. I will sign up with Google. To start, select a new and enter a URL to the video that you would like to use, or you can also browse it in your YouTube videos. After your video had been processed, an annotation screen will open. You can start playing your video by pressing play button. Under the video, you can see buttons that help you to walk with the video. So this is, for example, an add annotation button. So start playing your video. As soon as you want to add the first annotation, let's say here, press Add Annotation button and your video will pause automatically. Type a subject and type a content of your annotation. When you're ready with your question and the content, press Save. And your video continue playing. You can put as many annotations as you wish, repeating the same procedure. You can notice that your annotations are marked on the video with this little marker, and you can drag this marker to different location if you want to move your annotation to another time. You can also respond to your own annotations and you can edit them. If needed, you can also delete them. Okay, you're done with annotation of your video and it's time to share it with your students. To share the video with your students, press on the settings button under the video player and choose share. You can copy this link that you see on your screen, and here you can see that your video is public and everyone with the link can annotate it. You can change rights to view, so anyone with the link will be able to view it, or you can change it to private, so only you will be able to see the video. But I will change it back to annotate, and you can notice that when you change it from annotate to view, the link is changing. So remember to copy the correct link. So I will have a annotate link. Let's see how students will see this video. By default, when students insert the link that you shared with them, they will see this type of screen. So that they see that there are annotations on certain minutes and they can jump between them by clicking on the time code. They also see that there are no responses now, but if there were any responses, they would be able to see and to read them. If students would like to annotate this video, or for example, if you say them that it's an assignment for them to annotate the video, they should press a sign in button and choose the bottom option here, so access as a guest. They should provide an email. It does not have to be a true email, but it's better be something that reflects their name if you want to see who did it. Accept on terms and conditions and sign in as a guest. So now you can see when student is logged in, he or she is able to respond. So type their respond, save them to post. They also can delete their response if they wish. And now students have the same button as you have to add annotation. So your students can now type their own annotations and respond to annotations of other students who did the same. And the same way they can drag it and drop it to the other spot. Okay, let's go back to the instructor view and see what else we can do on the dashboard. To return back to the dashboard, press on this house sign or the logo VideoAnt sign, and you will return back to your dashboard. Here, when you move your cursor on the video, you can go back to annotation. You can add open settings, for example, rename it, add description, again share it, so without opening the video itself, and embed the video if needed. You can also duplicate your video with all annotations that are existing in the video, and you can delete it if you no longer need the video. If you need any help with the VideoAnt, you can always go to the help here on the right and open text tutorials or video tutorials. Also in text tutorials there are nice examples how you can use video annotations in your classroom. Okay, that is all for VideoAnt. I hope you have learned something new today and you will be able to use this tool with your students.